Today we're replacing the side molding on Sunburnt, my 76 GMC. Got a piece off the door already. It comes shipped in just a conglomerate of plastic, so I'm cutting it apart, trying to find each piece and just doing it one piece at a time. I am going to clean in behind the molding before we put the new back on, but I'll show you what I got. Alright, so I started with the lower door piece because that's the first one I pulled out of the pack. No rhyme or reason to any of it. I'm going to get some Sweet Patina all-purpose cleaner and clean in behind it real good before we put the new piece back on. It's pretty much going to be rinse and repeat. There's a few pieces that's got nuts on the back side. Some of it is got clips. I think that's the only two ways they're held on. As you can see, this molding has been on there for who knows how long. The original owner had actually ran a screw in this lower piece down here, I guess to hold it on, because I don't see a screw hole in the new piece, so we're going to bypass that hole. This kit, I'm not sure what company made it. I actually bought it on Marketplace. A guy had it for sale for cheap, so I thought, why not? Let's buy it. So this is how it came to me. He had bought it for a project and wound up not putting molding back on it. So it all looks pretty straight. I got this piece open. I mean, it's got a ding here and there, but it's going on an old rusty truck, so it don't really matter. Well, let's get to it. Alright, so there's a little bit of residue left from the tape on the clips that goes in behind this thing. And what I like to do is take you a piece of tape and put on both sides of the razor blade. This is a patina truck, so it doesn't matter a whole lot. If it's a fresh painted truck, you're probably putting new molding on anyway, so you don't have to deal with this. But you can take it and kind of run it in behind that. And what the tape does is it keeps it up off of the paint from scratching the patina that you want to save. Like I said, if you mess up on a patina truck, it's not the end of the world. Just adds character to it. Just going to go around and try to get all this cleaned off, and then we're going to hit it with the Sweet Patina all-purpose cleaner on a towel. Just clean it up really good before we put it back on, because hopefully it's not coming off for a very long time. But as you can see, you just kind of have to work with it. Don't go real fast, and you can get most of the glue off. A Goo Gone is also good for putting on this and soaking in and kind of loosening that tape, 3M tape or double-sided tape, whatever it is. I've had good luck with Goo Gone, and I'm going to get the majority of it off with the razor blade, and then I'll go back over it with the Goo Gone and get the kind of the residue off of it. And just keep working it a little bit. Just have to be kind of careful that you're not digging in the paint. But the molding is going to cover that, so you're not really going to see it, but you know, sometimes you can slip and really mess it up. But we're going to go around and do that and see if we can't get some molding on. Alright, so we got it cleaned up, and then these clips here were already in there. They got double-sided tape on them, so these are going to stick on. Just kind of spaced them out, and then this clip comes with it, and it's got a stud on it for the nut on the back side. So put it in the hole, and then we will peel this off and stick it on. And then there's a screw right there. So screw there. The very back clip's got a stud, and then 3 pieces of double-sided tape just slid into the back of the molding. All right, so I got all the molding on the driver's side wrapped up, working on the passenger side. I've got a big dent in the bed on the passenger side that I'm gonna try to get out, or get a PDR guy to come look at it and see what he can do with it before I put the lower molding on. I've got 1 piece on the tailgate on. I've got to put the lower piece on, and then the other bed side, and that'll be all the molding. I am missing a piece right there. I don't know why this kit didn't come with the piece here and on the opposite side, on the passenger side. So I'll pick that up sometime in the near future, and got a few more things to iron out, and hopefully get this thing on the road, get it cleaned up, and to the fall revival. Fall revival is about a month and a half away, and so I'm trying to get it done, running and driving to make it to the revival. So appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and hopefully next video we might be driving it. Fingers crossed. So again, appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one.